Wrists underneath the elbow, or underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. We are here. We are tucking our toes under. We are not like this. We are tucking our toes under. Look. What we want to do is maintain flat back. Not this, but here. If this feels stable for you, go ahead and lift one arm. Notice, back is not moving, only arm is moving. If that's good for you, one leg. If you start to do that, not good, go back to just arms. Out and in. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Out and in. Very slow and steady, so your back is maintaining being stable and flat.